Hey, if you cannot measure the heart rate with your Xiaomi Smart Band 9, it looks like it's just not working, so I've got two tips for you. First of all, for people with the tattoos. If you have tattoos all around your wrist, or especially right here in this place, so the sensors actually doesn't detect your skin, and this is the reason why you actually cannot measure your heart rate. So try to put it on the right hand, but if you have tattoos right here on the both hands, then I will try to actually rotate the device like that and try to measure it in this place. And also, if you don't have tattoos at all, you will have to be sure that you put it properly. So what I mean properly, you have to just put it not right here when your wrist is bending, so just above, like 2 centimeters above, for example, right here. You have to be sure that the sensors are sticking to your skin, and after this it should actually works. If it is not working, and if it is not measuring when you are wearing this device properly, I will try to take advantage of the warranty, because probably there's some kind of the issue with the sensor. As you can see in my case, when I put it properly on my wrist, I've got my current HR. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.